Hey everyone, I'd like to talk to you about the great ZenFone 5 features that I really like. This time, I'd like to talk to you about the ultra-wide view and night HDR functions. Great options when you need a wider angle to fit your subject in, or when extra dynamic range is crucial in low light situations.
The ZenFone 5 is equipped with stunning dual rear cameras, giving you a choice between the main 12 megapixel and the 120-degree wide-angle camera that offers extra space for composition. Whether you are shooting architecture or a gathering of friends, the ZenFone 5's options will have you covered. Furthermore, the night HDR, noisy, dark, and bad quality photos belong to the past. Driven by Sony's flagship IMX363 larger sensor with a f1.8 large aperture, the ZenFone 5 gets the best dynamic range out of your shot while preserving true-to-life colors.
This and more awesome features can be found on the new ZenFone 5. Be sure to check them all out. Thanks for watching.